It was Emily's birthday, and her friend had planned a surprise party for her. Emily had no idea what was going on. Her friends told her to meet them at the park, and when she arrived, they jumped out and yelled surprise. Emily was so happy and grateful for her friends. They had bought balloons, cake, and presents. They all sat together and sang Happy Birthday to Emily. After they finished eating cake, Emily's friend gave her the presents. Emily was so excited to open them. She got a new book, some clothes, and a necklace. She thanked her friends and gave them all big hugs. It was the best birthday ever, and Emily felt so loved by her friends. She knew that they would always be there for her, no matter what.